Okay, let's now go and test our model, see how it does. So here I am. There is a in the playground in Azure OpenAI Studio. You got a little playground here that kind of you can use it to uh, test your model. So let me test it. Great. I'd say I would like to order some food. Okay, great. What do you serve for appetizers? Okay. Great. It went and pulled the list of appetizers we have from the menu that it provided, and it kind of like it showed you. Okay. I love those spring rolls. What are the fresh spring rolls like? Ooh, nice. Okay. Can I add 2 to my order? Great. Yes. Can I get 2 orders of the basil chicken, please? Great. So we got ourselves an entree, we got ourselves an appetizer. So looks like it went and pulled all those things. Let me see. Let me say. Let me ask it to finalize my order, and see if it does the calculation correctly. Nope, that's it. Let's see what it does. There you go. So it calculated. I want to make sure it did the math correctly. So it says it took 2. That's 1190. That's 21. Yep, that is the total. Great. Please. That looks great. That looks fine. That is so awesome. So look, this is what's amazing and mind-blowing about this. I didn't program any of this. The model has general intelligence that it walked me through a scenario, and as you saw, I didn't give it these specific questions, but as you can see, it clearly walked me through items on the menu. I could ask it questions, and it finally took my order, and it sort of calculated the total like I showed it to do, and boom, that's it. This is just amazing. If you saw my first video about how the same thing was done in the bot framework, I actually had to program a lot of the logic, right? So I had to program the math, and I had to program some of the dialogues in that so that it kind of followed through a sequence. This is so user friendly, and it is so natural in how somebody can sort of interact with this. Hopefully, this shows you the power of the conversational AI with state-of-the-art LLMs like ChatGPT. What I'm going to do in the next video is use the same model, use the same menu, and the same few shot examples, but I'm going to show you the exact same thing through a little front end that I wrote in Streamlit, and using the exact same um, GPT 3.5 turbo model. So you can see that once you get this thing right in your playground, then very quickly you can build the app, the front end app that actually does the same thing. So that will be the next thing we would try. But this is just absolutely amazing on how easy it is without doing a lot of programming to build something that took me a lot of coding knowledge to build.